Do you want to know what makes a product popular? Today I'm gonna discuss all about how to find popular products. If you want to know, make sure that you stay tuned. Let's go! Welcome back to Supermom TV and welcome back to another episode of Q&A Friday. Today's Q&A Friday is super important because I'm gonna discuss with you on how you can find trending and hot products. So today's question is submitted by Elouise. She is a piano teacher and her YouTube channel is Fun and Steady Piano Learning Workshop. I will leave her link down in the description box below. If you guys are interested to learn piano from her, remember to check out her channel. So here is her question. I was reading the comments from some people who do dropshipping. It is not that straightforward. eBay US will verify the account and may suspend if they suspect any suspicious activity. What's your view in this? Thank you, Elouise, for your question. So yes, definitely eBay is quite strict about having new sellers on their platform. Their reason is very simple. It's because eBay wants to create a safe, positive and good user experience on their platform. eBay is a platform that enables any sellers to sell their items, whether it's secondhand or even new products, to the buyers. In order for them to keep the platform safe and minimize fraud activity, for example, they have to keep their platform away from all these harmful frauds and scams. So in my experience, there are a lot of buyers that buy expensive items and they did not receive the items. So they are very particular in giving ratings to all these new sellers. Hence, it is so important for me to emphasize every single time, for new sellers, it is good for you to increase your sellers rating. They have a system of rating for sellers. So for buyers who wants to look for items, they will see the sellers, how is their sellers rating. So for example, the sellers rating is not that good, it is below the standard level, most buyers will stay away from these sellers. So as long as you keep your sellers rating up and you deliver what you have promised, you have no problem maintaining your seller's account with eBay. I have been an eBay seller for the past 2 years, coming to 3 years now, and my seller's rating, touch wood, hasn't dropped at all because I ensure that I provide my best customer service. I will deliver whatever I promise. For example, I promise them that I will deliver my products in 3 days time, and 99.9% I will fulfill this one. If there are any mishaps like loss in transitions, some things are unforeseen, and I will refund the buyer immediately. So these are the things that I promise my buyers. So my advice to you is, if you want to start to be an eBay seller and you want to dropship products, as long as you maintain as a high sellers rating, you have nothing to worry about. As long as you have no suspicious activity on your store, then there won't be any problem. There are times that eBay asks you to verify some things, for example your bank account, or sometimes they also might ask you to re-log in, especially when I go overseas, right? eBay will prompt me to re-log in because they suspect that my account has been logged in another country. So this is just a safety measure of them. So I hope that I've answered your questions. And another point that I need to add on to why eBay are being so strict and ways that you can prevent this from happening is that if you have an existing eBay account, you need to continue using that eBay account, especially if you want to be a seller, because eBay is very strict on giving seller their listing limit. So if you already have an account, just use the account and do not open up a new account, because if eBay detect that you have more than one account, they will ban you for life. So unless you have a totally new identity, otherwise you cannot get back an eBay account. Basically, you can't sell anything on eBay. So that is what I want to add on. And now, moving forward to my second set of questions from Chloe. So Chloe is a travel blogger and her channel is Chloe Lin TV. I will leave her link down in the description box below. So she's also a YouTuber and she teaches people how to travel for free. So if you want to check out her course, I will also leave her link down in the description box below. So if you want to learn about that, it is a very interesting course because she teaches people how to be a travel influencer sponsor and travel for free. So basically you will learn how to get free accommodation and free flight from the sponsors. Isn't that interesting? So if you want to check her out, please do so. I will leave a link down below. So let's jump into her first question. How to find product that sells? That is the question that I often get. So I have 3 simple ways for you to learn how to find products that sells. So the very first method is the very easy method, and this method applies to any types of dropshipping, and it is to use Instagram. So what you need to do is you type hashtag cool products on Instagram and you search for all the products. Once the search result is out, you can see a lot of pictures. So from there, you click on the picture that you feel that appeals to you the most. After clicking on it, you just need to browse around the product. And the next thing is you click on something that you find that is cool. So for example, is this kitchen helper. And you like it, so you like as many pictures as possible. This way the Facebook ads or the Instagram ads will actually target you, and advertisers, they actually, most of them, they will do a lot of product research, so this will actually save you a lot of time. You don't need to do research. They have done a lot of research before they put out the ads to everyone. After this step, you will realize that a lot of ads will be shown to you, and these are the ads that dropshippers or e-commerce company have done a tons of product research on finding the winning products, and these are the products that you can find, and it is targeting to you. So why my first step of asking you to click on cool products pictures is because that you're acting like a customer who are browsing for products. These e-commerce ads actually targeting you as the customer. So in order for you to find trending products or winning products to sell, this is the very easiest way for you to find, because you are the targeted customer and the products will be shown. From then on, every day you will expect some sponsored ads on Instagram on your feed, and you can see different type of products. So what I suggest to you is you list down all these products and you do a little more in-depth research on them. So for eBay, I have a set of way of how you can find your winning product. Basically, what you need to do is you need to key in on the search bar the category that you want to search. For example, you want to search for kitchen utensils. So if you want to search for products that are trending in the kitchen category, you can find the products that are often selling. So what I do is I will go and look at the products that is sold. For the eBay platform, one thing good is it will give you the history of what are the products that have been sold. You just need to eyeball the products that keep on appearing the most. So I have an exact step-by-step tutorial on how you can find these winning products. I will leave a link up here, so make sure that you check it out. The next easy way to find products that sells is by using a websites that help you to search for winning products. And this website, I have been using them, and it is called the Dropship Hunter. So what you need to do is you need to subscribe to them. I believe it's about $12.95 per month, and you can browse a wide variety of products that are trending right now. So Dropship Hunter will update their website from time to time, so their trending products are always updated. If you want to check them out, I will leave a link below so you can check them out. So one thing good about this is it is very easy. You just need to click and browse on their website what are the current trending products. However, the downside is you need to pay for it every single month. But I think that it really saves a lot of time by only paying $12.95 a month. It is really very convenient and time saving for you. So now move on to Chloe's second question. What makes a product popular? So this one I also have 3 pointers for her. So the very first product that is popular are those evergreen products. How I define evergreen product is fast moving consumer goods. So for me, on my eBay store, I like to sell kitchen products because kitchen products are always very sellable, and it is a need by all households. So I love to sell items that are fast moving, low cost, items that needed to be replenished on a regular basis. So if your store are able to provide a good service to these customers, they will come back to look for you and buy from you over and over again. So over time, you accumulate a lot of loyal customer on your store. So the second type of popular products are the seasonal products. Seasonal products are the items that are very popular during specific seasons. For example, some items are more sellable during the Christmas time. So during Christmas, a lot of people like to start baking. So baking supplies are very popular. Example, those cookie cutter, which is the shape of a Christmas tree or a Santa Claus. So these are considered as seasonal products. So whenever Christmas is around the corner, you can start to sell these items, and these items are very sellable. So Valentine's Day has just passed, and anything to do with heart shape was very sellable. So throughout the year, you can sort out all the different seasons as well. During the summer, my swimming pool floats was selling very well. So you can also think of this way. Whenever summer is here, people like to go for swimming, so whatever swimming accessories that you have, you can put on your store to sell. So the third type of products that are popular are the trending products that I mentioned just now. So the trending products is the one that you do research on, and it is only trending during a certain period of time. For example, are the cool products that I mentioned just now during the questions number 1. So a very good example was the fidget spinner. The fidget spinner was very sellable at one point of time, and it's completely dies off right now. So thank you so much, Elouise and Chloe, for your questions. I love all these questions. Please keep all these questions coming in. I will try to answer all of your questions every single Friday. So don't forget that my Friday will be my Q&A session. So ask me anything. I would appreciate it if you can ask me anything that you want to know about dropshipping or make money online questions. If you have any questions about my YouTube channel, please leave them down in the comment section below. I will make sure to answer them on my Q&A Fridays. If you're new here, my name is May, and I make a lot of videos about dropshipping and make money online. If you have not subscribed to me, please consider subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. So that's all for today. Have a nice weekend, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye!